Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Lit-erally Fairy Manicure using the Maniology MO35 plate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Sinful Colors Lit-erally. It is such a pretty green polish. I'm so crazy about this one. So here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat. It's just a beautiful, bright green with gold flecks in it. I am so digging on this right now. And I'm normally not into green polish, so that's pretty amazing. So there we go. I'm going to cap my free edge. And get over here close to this sidewall. Beautiful formula on this one too. I just was really pleased with it. Very surprised, very happy. So this is my new length on these nails on this hand. That's the one with the really bad break. And we're going to clean up with Woody here. Hi Woody, how you doing? I'm going to top it with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Seal it all in. Make it all nice and glossy. I love it. So pretty. Being sure to cap that free edge too. So here's a picture of it all on its own. And now we're going to use the Maniology and I can't ever say it right, Clairestelle8 MO35 plate. My Beauty Scraper and Funky Fingers Dark Night. I'll also be using that Burt's Bees Cuticle Cream. So here we go. We're going to just hop right on into it. So I picked the fairy image to use this time. I just loved it. I just thought that was such a cute image on this plate. I love all of the images. I'm just going to be honest. I love all of them. This is such a cool plate. And even using the Burt's Bees Cuticle Cream, it's still, when I go to clean my stamper off on the lint roller, it takes care of everything. So I'm really happy about that. Just lining them up and plopping them on them nails. And it is hard to do manicures like this on these short nails, but it's doable. And I just wanted to show that, you know, even if you've got really short nails, you can still do these kinds of manicures. I love this plate. I'm telling you, it's just so funny how much I love it. It's a good one. I can just see me using it for lots and lots of manicures. You know, I do collaborations, so I think this one will be a really fun one to break out for those. And then I'm going to go back to the beginning of the image that I've already used on my thumb, and I'm going to use that one again. I figured, you know, let's get them on there. And it's going to look totally different on this little bitty pinky nail anyway, so there we go. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup with the tape. I'm so crazy about this manicure, even on these little short nails. I'm so happy with it. I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Seal it all in. And I'm being very careful to not overbrush or whatever with that top coat because I don't want to smear the design. Back in the day we called it floating the top coat. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.